Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make 4K resolutions on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to have better quality. So, tap on your clip, go to Adjust, Graphs, and make sure these are all going from up to down. So blue, green, red, and white. Once you're done with that, go to Effects, Video Effects, and then Blur, and make sure that it fits. And now you're gonna want to export, which is at the top right corner. So once you're done with that, you have to reset all the things that you did. So just tap on the undo button right here. Tap on the undo button right here. And now you're gonna want to tap on overlay, add overlay, and then add the edited video that you just made. Make sure that it's up to size, and now tap on blend, burn, and 60. So we're almost done. Just add another overlay, go to stock videos, white, and adjust it, and then just make sure that it covers the whole screen. And now tap on blend again, overlay, and then 60. And as you can see, it made the image way better. Now the image is already blurry. I'm sure this will look great if you use it on people and not landscapes, because it makes it have a lower quality, but I'm sure it works on people. So if this helped, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.